kitty. I think we ate the jackpot of the spot. It's a little bit cold, kitty. So I couldn't really talk outside, it was a little bit too windy. But right there, guys, is the Atlantic Ocean. A little bit down there will be Prince Edward Island, and if we're going to that direction in a week or so, we're gonna go to Newfoundland, which is all the way over there. But yeah, I think technically it will be the Atlantic Ocean right here. It's pretty crazy that I've done Pacific Ocean to Atlantic Ocean. That's insane. So tonight is a little bit too cold to go explore and all this, so we're just gonna chill inside the van. There's like a little provincial park that I want to go visit tomorrow, and we're gonna explore this little area a little bit more tomorrow. But yeah, let's just go chill in the back and have a little something to eat. So I'm just making a super quick pad thai. I've done that a couple of times here. I use a rice noodle for the pad thai. Just boil the water. They need to cook for 3 minutes or 5 minutes, around that. So they are just right here with the lid on. And during that time, because I obviously just have a one burner, I'm gonna cook the vegetables. So I have mushroom right now. I'm gonna put some red bell pepper and bok choy at the end, and put all of this together with a little pad thai sauce that I got at the store. So super simple, very, very good. You like the view, kitty? There you go. Quick little pad thai. So today I went and grabbed some binocular, nothing special. Hopefully they work. I mean, like, when you go there, you can obviously spend like $100. Didn't want to spend that much to binoculars. Just like now that I'm close to the ocean, I'm like, oh, maybe I want to see, you know, some wildlife, some sea life, I should call it, I guess. You know, I tried to open this. Alright, I got it after breaking everything. So yeah, I just went and grabbed like something small. Ooh, that's really small. Oh, they're super cute. Let's see if they work. That's something when I'm gonna take the ferry to Newfoundland that I can carry, because I'm not gonna be able to stay in the van or to have access to the van, unfortunately, for 7 hours. So this is gonna be useful. Super light, not the best for long distance, but I mean, like, just to see a little bit more clearly. If I see some, you know, like whale, I don't know, something else, I'm gonna keep that on me. And yeah, little purchase, but I think it's gonna be useful. So me, I'm gonna relax, probably read a book, play with Kelly, and I'm gonna try to do some time lapse of the sunset. Hopefully we have a nice one, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow morning. I've been sitting here forever with my little cup of tea. I've been looking at the fisherman and all of this and just super lazy this morning, to be honest. I was like, oh, maybe I should go outside. It's just gorgeous, no wind. I know it's cold outside. The heater's been on since this morning. I'm not sure I want to go outside. And after that I was like just chilling here and I was like, maybe I should edit a video. Don't feel like it. So yeah, I've been just enjoying the view this morning from the van, looking at the fishermen and all the stuff they're doing. Pretty interesting. Make me want to go on the boat right now, to be honest. I shared that I think once or twice on my video, but when I was probably 26 years old, something around this, I wanted to live on a sailboat. I had a friend who had a sailboat at the time in Squamish, and we used to go every weekend, and I just love to be on sailboat. I don't think that's gonna happen, live on the sailboat. I think that'll be pretty crazy, but I do miss the ocean and be on the boat. Something just like so quiet and so nice to be on the sailboat. You just hear the wind on like the sail and it's just like it's beautiful. But no sailboat here. Oh, just fishermen. I'm not quite sure exactly what they fish. I don't know, yeah. So I'm gonna finish my cup of tea and I think we're gonna go do a little walk. We're gonna go outside pretty soon. All right, let's feel that sun. Apparently I didn't sleep alone. Seems to have one camper there. I slept in the perfect spot though. I should go touch the Atlantic Ocean, kitty. Want to do that? Oh, it's cold. Oh, there's crab here though. Might be what they're fishing. So I'm just a little park called Arisaig. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Park. I left Kelly inside the van. She was just sleeping there. She didn't want to move. The van is still warm from this morning, so I'm gonna let her sleep and we're gonna go explore this. Want to move a little bit because we're gonna do a little bit of driving today. I'm just on the edge of Cape Breton Island, which is the last little section, if you want, before we take the ferry. So I'm not sure where to drive, where to walk. It's got like 3 trails. The park is kind of like closed right now. The gate was put it on, but there's a bunch of people already parked in the front. We're just gonna figure out. The bird's gonna tell us. Oh no, they're fake. Someone put little flowers. Like everything is like gray and brown. And like, whoa. The sign of spring. No, fake one. Still cute. This is where we slept last night. Right there. Cool. So I think it's where we are. And the F, I was like, what's that? We have some fossil. I'm really curious now. There you go. This is a sign of spring. This is real. So on the sign they were saying that there were a lot of like different rock. So some volcano rocks, which I think will be probably this. Seem to be quite dark. And I'm supposed to look for fossil. Oh, right there. Is it something? It was something, I don't know what it was. So, didn't really find so much fossil. Probably didn't look at the right place. At my parent house in Quebec, they have a little river or creek even with a lot of rocks, and me and my brother used to go there all the time and flip all the rocks, and you can find a lot of like little fossil, a little shelf and things. We kept a couple of those rocks. Pretty cool. You didn't want to come when I asked you to come. Too late now. Alright guys, Kitty and I is gonna drive a little bit further. Want to be there for a couple of weeks, couple of days now, sorry, for the ferry. So we have to drive. So I'm gonna let you go guys. If you are not already maybe thinking of subscribing, that would be awesome. Join the bigger and bigger and bigger family. And Kenny and I say next time guys. So good.